Ma'am, I will not seeing you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, good morning everybody. I have muted you all so that you are able to see me and hear my voice also. Because if I'll make you unmute, then there would be a lot of noise in between and you will not be able to understand what I am teaching you. So once again, a very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to start our chapter 2nd, that is Tux Paint. I think you all have worked on Tux Paint, but still those who have not worked on Tux Paint, I'll be showing you what is Tux Paint. Okay. First of all, let us study what is Tux Paint. I'm reading for you all so that you all would be able to understand. Ishita, please be calm in the class and don't look here and there. I want you to be full attentive in the class. Okay. So it is a wonderful drawing program for students. It is a very good drawing program. What is Tux Paint used for? Tux Paint is used for drawing pictures. And it has a feature that you can draw, you can put sound, and you can do anything. Like in Paint, if you want to draw bricks, you have to draw it one by one. But in it has a inbuilt feature. इसके अंदर आप अपने आप अगर सिर्फ ब्रिक्स पे क्लिक करोगे तो आपकी ब्रिक्स बनकर आ जाएंगी. It is a program for drawing. This software is free. We don't need to pay anybody. It is free to download. It has a drawing mascot which helps you to know about Tux Paint. Okay. इसके अंदर एक मैस्कॉट होता है जिसके अंदर हमें इंफॉर्मेशन देते हैं कि हमें टक्स पेंट कैसे यूज करना है. ओके. You are having a variety of tools to help the students to bring out their best creative designs. As you all are having many designs, and you can add your personalized stems, sound, and anything which you want to. Okay. Now I'll teach you first the way how to open Tux Paint, and then I'll show you the Tux Paint window. Arya beta, sit properly in the class and just pay attention towards the class only. Okay. So to open Tux Paint, we have to click on Start button. On which button we have to click? We have to click on Start button. Very good, Ishita. You are repeating after me. And after that, you have to click on All Programs. First, you have to click on Start button, and second, you have to click on All Programs. Then you have to click on Tux Paint. And after Tux Paint, again you have to click on Tux Paint, but there would be one difference. It would be written windowed. See, this is the click of your picture, and I'll show you how to do it. First, I'll go with the theory, and then I will show you the practical also, so it is clear to you all. Okay, this is how the Tux Paint opens. This is all the paint button. It look like a paint only, but it is more creative and students love it to use it. Okay, now there we have a paint tool. See, this is a paint tool. You are able to see my mouse cursor. This is a paint tool. With this paint tool, we used to draw anything which we want to draw. And here we are having many other features also, like stamps, lines, shapes, text. What do you mean by text? If I want to write anything. Okay. So similarly, we have many features. So we'll be going first with the Tux Paint. This is a Tux Paint window. You all would be able to see my Tux Paint window. This is a paint brush. I have clicked on it and I have selected black color. See, now I am able to draw whatever I want to draw. You all are able to see I am drawing something. This I am drawing with the help of brush, paint brush, and its paint brush works like as your work in MS Paint. जैसे आप MS Paint में पेंट करते थे, ये ब्रश भी उसी की तरह वर्क करता है. Now see, you are having another topic that is sub tools. अब सब tools का मतलब क्या होता है? Paint brush and these are the brushes. मतलब आप different type के brushes select कर सकते हो, उसको आप sub tools बोलोगे. Like see, I am clicking in my sub tool would be changing, And when I click on paint, my again sub tools are changing. If you are able to see, just raise your hand. You are able to see my screen? Very good. See, if I select this round shape, I would be able to make this line. If I'll be selecting star shape, this star would be coming. If I'll select this kind of pictures would be coming. So in Paint, I have sub tools. Sub tools का मतलब होता है कि जब आप एक ऑप्शन खोलो तो उसमें आपको बहुत सारे जो अलग डिफरेंट ऑप्शंस मिलेंगे, उसको सब टूल बोलते हैं. ओके, नाउ वील कम टू दिस वी हैव डन. दिस इज हेज ब्रश टूल. अब जैसे आप कभी ड्राइंग बनाते हो और कोई चीज बहुत दूर है, when something is too far, so you use this. See, this is giving a blur effect. Blur means this is far away. You are having different effects. So what you all have to do, you all have to just install this and you all would be able to work on this app. See, now time for some magic. Let's see some magic. Here I am clicking on magic. First, let me just make a new one. I'll open a new one. Okay, this I have opened a new one. Now I am clicking on magic. See, my cursor has changed from this to magic wand. Like our magicians used to have a wand, and now I have to make bricks. I'll just click on the bricks and see the bricks are coming. This is easy now. See, the bricks effect is coming. Then now what I have to use? I have to use other effects. I have to make grass. Where is grass written? See, this is grass. See how easy it is to draw grass. You all are able to see the grass which I am drawing. And similarly, this is used for filling the color. Now I have to fill color red in my bricks. So this is what I am filling the colors in this. Similar, you are having many other features also, like I can draw flowers. See, this is my flower. If I select purple color, I'll make a purple color flower. Anything which you want to do, you can do in Magic. Like you have edges, fish eye, I have to make fish eye. I have to draw grass tiles. I have to do anything. I can just click on this. I have to want this pattern C. So it is a very good app on which you all can draw very nicely. Okay. So till now, we'll be studying only this much, and I'll be taking your queries so that you can ask questions from me that what you want to ask.